So we're still at BarCampBank. I'm still with Simon. Hey Simon.
Hi.
Thanks for your time. We shot a great interview seconds ago. Now you're going to show us a few how it looks like, basically, the Open Bank project.
Yeah.
How some information is displayed differently
just
to
some
different
principles,
people.
really. Just some principles. Okay, so this, one of the ideas about the Open Bank project is, well, there are two core ideas. Okay, so one is that you can have show different views of data to different groups of people, including the public, like the anonymous public who might browse to your company website and then have a look at your financial transactions. Maybe you're a charity, you're an organization. And yeah, we're still working on these ideas. We put this demo very quickly together for Société Générale yesterday, and so it's very, very quick. And so, for instance, here we have maybe a new logo for Open Bank project, and here you can see Tasobi, our company, and this is our transactions from, actually I didn't refresh the page today yet, but from yesterday. So you can see that we're not showing the balance of our company. Now a company might choose they want to show the balance, but just right now in this just today we're not. And you can see that here's some euros that went out of our bank account, and then we might show another view on it. So this is maybe to our network, so maybe to our Facebook friends, maybe to our clients, maybe to our investors, maybe to our donors if we're a charity. So you can see we're showing the balance there. Okay, not sure about that, but okay. So here's the cleaning services. So we're not showing the company or the individual, but we're showing, okay, this is what we paid on cleaning. And
that could be customizable. You could potentially show even more in the name of the company, right?
Exactly. So here you can see telecom. We paid some money to telecom, and so on and so forth. And interestingly, here we can have comments. Okay, so we can crowdsource comments and so on and so forth. And then here's here's our team view. Which shows more information, including the names of people and so on and so forth. So so that's basically what one core idea is, that you can mediate the data, your financial data. So you can still, in open data terms, you can provide statistically relevant data, so people can reuse this data, but preserve privacy of people, of individuals, so on and so forth. So people can raise like fraud alerts, or say, hey, why did are you sure you meant to spend 5,000 euros to that company yesterday, type thing,
Okay.
And then the other core idea is basically of a machine readable API. So here we have some of the same data, but in JSON format, which comes from an API call, and this is what application developers love. Mm-hmm. If a bank provides an API for their clients, then application developers can very easily write cool, funky, original, crazy, new idea apps for your bank, and that's good for your customers, because
Again, so make it easy for banks. They can use that as a basis, that API. They could add their own layers should they want to do that. And then they could easily share that with the developers,
exactly.
Who can then build on top innovative services. Yeah.
That's right, Or the bank's developers can also use the API.
Of course, themselves,
That's right. And and the other part about the project is that it's open source. So here on GitHub we've released the source code. Just a small amount of source code. It's just it's a Scala server actually, and some Python code getting data from our Postbank account, and our Postbank account in Germany does not have an API.
Okay.
Nothing.
And you just released that days ago, I think.
Yes.
If I'm correct. That's it.
Basically, So it's warts and all, but.
Perfect.
And then we've got a website. Let's see. This is our community discussion, so you can join us here. And we've got a website called Open Bank Project, which talks about more about their ideas, and it's in a couple of languages.
So people check that, Google anyway, Open Bank Project, you'll reach that page.
Yeah.
So advise you and invite you to get in touch with Simon. Simon, thanks a lot for the demo and for the interviews. Yeah?
Most welcome, most welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.